I thought I'd do another quick review. I just did a dash cover. Might have seen, might not seen. 2013 Silverado. This is not car specific, but I wanted a place to put my phone in the truck and went to Sam's Club, picked up a phone holder. I just want you guys' opinions here. How in the world do you get this stuff out of these packaging? I tried cutting and zipping, and can we put a pull cord on this thing like a package and get everything out? I don't know. If you know how to get these things out, besides a razor blade and cut my artery with it, put a comment down there. So anyways, we picked this up at Sam's Club. Ventev wireless car charging holder station. I'm gonna just pause the video for about 3.5 days to get this unpackaged, and then I'll be right back, see what we have. Oh my gosh, we got it out. I finally got to separate. I think it's a child-proof, at least a Brian-proof box. So inside, suction cup mount, cord, docking station. I imagine this is springy. Got a vent mount clip. I guess that locks it down. And then they give it a sticky dash mount, which we just did that review of the Cover King. Yep, still haven't Velcroed it down. In this mount. So I don't know. Let's see. Let's put our choices. Oh, and a cigarette lighter plug, which we may not need because I do have a USB port there. So let's get this up here. And Velcro for the dash. Sure. We're not going to do a video on that. Everybody knows how to Velcro. Okay, so vent mount. Well, why? Alright, first option, vent mount. That's what I thought I would like. But when your gear shifter's up here, you can't see squat. We could put it over here, but then the cord for the phone drags all the way across. I guess we could put it here. That would cut down on the passenger ventilation maybe a little bit. Option for the sticky mount. That might not be too bad. There. And then I don't like suction cups. I don't know. Can you get them to stick? I can't. I lick it and I smack it and I plunge it and it just doesn't seem to stick. Can't put it on the screen. These little cubby holes, I guess one's a four-wheel drive switch if you have four-wheel drive, which I wish I did, but I couldn't find a nice truck with it. I guess you can make a plate suction on there if you want. I think I'm going to try this vent mount. So let's see. Let me figure out how this old guy works. Just clips down on it. That's it. I don't know. Let's put it on there. And clip it down. That's it. And then your little holder here. I imagine opens up. It's hot and humid. I'm not gonna lie. We'll pop this on there maybe. I'm sure there's directions in there. The guy was, there we go, inclined to read. We'll tighten up that back knob. There we go. I just get tired of trying to put the phone in the cup holder. Then you got to drink, and now what do you do with your phone? Then it winds on your floor. You get the picture. So that's in there. The wireless charging aspect. Yeah, so I guess we didn't look. Let's pop this back off. There it is. Got a USB cable there. So let's take our USB. Okay, we got that mounted up there to the vent. It does charge, but because I have the Android system, I need to have it plugged into my phone. Otherwise, if you don't need to, just plug it in the holder, then it will wirelessly charge for you. The other thing is when you lift up on it, the little ears spread out, so you can just take your phone right off. You put it in, and the ears go back down. Don't know how well that's showing up on this black on black without some lights. The other thing, if you need a suction cup, it does extend out, so that's kind of neat. And then he has that other little holder if you need to be mounted on your dash somewhere. Overall, it seems to be pretty good quality. I like you don't have to fight it, just pick it up and it comes out. And I'd give this A+. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.